This one is called Burping Baby. Penny Robinson Harris did the words and the pictures. The dedication says for Ellie, and it's also for my friend Alicia and Levi, Isla, Declan, Natalie, April, Leroy, Ivy and Morgan. Everyone said Harriet was a perfect baby. She did everything she was supposed to do. But when Harriet's mother had finished feeding her, Harriet wouldn't burp. What? No burp, Harriet? Harriet's sister Rosie thought she could make her burp. But she couldn't. Harriet's father thought he could make her burp. But he couldn't. I think she looks puffy. Harriet's mother was worried. Harriet's brother Edward wondered what all the fuss was about. He thought it was easy to burp Harriet, but it wasn't. "Give her to me," said the postwoman who was at the front door. "I know what to do." Harriet's mother was relieved. But even the postwoman, who had 8 children, couldn't make Harriet burp. "Soda water," said Auntie Madge when she arrived. "It always makes me burp." But Harriet only got bigger. "Look out!" "That's it," said Mum. "I'm calling the doctor." "This should do the trick," said Dr. Das. But Harriet's mouth stayed firmly shut. "Blah!" went Edward's tuba. "Wah!" cried Harriet. In went the medicine. Everyone waited. "Hiccup!" said Harriet, floating towards the ceiling. "Now what are we going to do?" cried Harriet's mother. "This," said Rosie, holding her old rubber tire. "I'll squeeze that burp out of her." Harriet's mother was nervous. Bang! Everyone thought it was Harriet. But it wasn't. "We've tried everything," said Harriet's mother. Harriet just giggled. She knew what to do. Everyone stopped. They all looked at Harriet. She was flying wildly around the room. A long, loud noise was coming from her bottom. "Zoom! Look out!" cried Mum. "I'll get her," said Edward. Woof! Harriet landed safely in Edward's tuba. "Thank goodness," said Mum. "Oh, pooh," said everyone else.